Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Please type in chat window. Please type in questions box. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Okay, fine. Thank you. All right. Good afternoon, guys. Then, yeah, today just I want to give basic review on the Java programming language. What we have in Java, what exactly the purpose of the Java programming language. You're going to understand this content. Just give a minute of time. All right, sir. Guys, observe this. Now tell me, Java is available in how many forms actually? In how many parts are available Java? As per our awareness, we can understand Java is available in three parts. In general, Java is available in how many parts there? Three parts. What are the three parts which are available in Java? We can understand the first one is core Java, and second one is what there? Advanced Java, and the third one is like J2ME, sorry, J2EE. So these are the three parts we understood inside the Java. What are the three parts which are available inside the Java? Core Java, advanced Java, then what next one here? J2EE. In general, we are thinking that Java is available in the three parts. All right, sir. Before going to understand Java programming language, first we have to understand what exactly the classification is provided in Java. How many parts are available in Java? That point here we have to understand first. Observe carefully. To understand these parts here, first we have to understand whether this classification is a right classification or not. Is it a right classification or not? That we have to understand. Right. If we come for this point here, whatever the classification here we are understanding, this classification is a totally wrong classification. This is not a right classification. This is not provided by Sun Microsystems. This is not provided by Sun Microsystems. This is wrong classification. This is not provided by Sun Microsystems. Okay, sir. This is wrong classification. Now tell me what exactly the classification was provided by Java programming language. What was the right classification provided by Java programming language? If we come for this point, Java has given, that means Sun Microsystems has given the total Java in the form of three modules. The total Java was provided in the form of three modules. What are the three modules where Java has provided there? The first one is like what there? J2SE. And the second one is what there? J2EE. And the third one is what there? No, J2ME. Guys, observe carefully what I am telling you now. First one is like what I am telling to you, J2SE. Second one is J2EE. And third one is what there? J2ME. These are the actual three parts which are provided by Sun Microsystems in Java. Then every time I'm talking about Sun Microsystems, what is this Sun Microsystems are actually? What is the meaning of this Sun Microsystems? Every time we are talking about it, no? I'm asking some questions to you, know, try to understand it. Windows is an operating system. Am I right or not? Windows is an operating system. Am I right or not? Which was provided by Microsoft. Windows operating system was provided by Microsoft. Similarly, Oracle is a database. Oracle is a database product. Am I right or not? That database product, Oracle database product, was provided by Oracle Corporation. Similarly, Java is a programming language that was provided by Sun Microsystems. It's a company. Sun Microsystems has provided Java programming language. Understand it clearly. Initially, Java was provided by Sun Microsystems. Later on, Sun Microsystems has handed over the total Java programming language to Oracle Corporation. Now, Java is available with the Oracle Corporation. Java is available with the Oracle Corporation. Guys, observe carefully what I'm telling you now. Good. Anyway, now tell me, all of you know, Java is a programming language that was provided by Sun Microsystems in the form of three modules. What are the three modules? You know, J2SE, J2EE, then what next one? No, J2ME. Listen, understand it clearly. What is the purpose of each and every one? What is the need of J2SE? What is the need of J2EE? Then what is the need of J2ME? Let's understand this point clearly. Guys, all of you understand it, no? What exactly this J2SE? At least we have to understand the abbreviation for it. What is this J2SE actually? Java 2 Standard Edition. Java 2 Standard Edition. J2SE is what there? Java 2 Standard Edition. Understand it clearly. Java 2 Standard Edition. Nice. What it will cover? What this Java 2 Standard Edition will cover actually? It will cover only fundamentals of Java programming language. Java programming, that's enough. Fundamentals of Java programming. Right, sir? It will cover only basics of Java programming language. Understand this clearly, what I'm telling you know. If the total Java is covered inside the J2SE, then what is the need of J2EE and J2ME? Understand it, Keno? If the total Java is covered inside the J2SE, then what is the purpose of this J2E and J2ME? Not required. Am I right or not? So because of that reason, what I'm telling to you, J2SE will cover only fundamentals of the Java programming language. Right, sir. Okay, fine. By using these fundamentals, what type of applications we are able to prepare? By using these fundamentals, what type of applications we are able to prepare? If you observe this, by using these fundamentals, we are able to prepare standalone applications. Observe guys, what I'm telling you know. What type of applications we are able to prepare there? Standalone applications. What are the standalone applications here? What is the meaning of the standalone applications? No. If you observe this, all right, sir. If we design and execute, any application without using, if we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines. Understand my point here? What I'm telling there? If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, no concept like client server architecture, no client, no server, no protocol, no request from client, no response from server, nothing else, no such type of environment. Without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as standalone application. That application is called as what there? Standalone application. Guys, all of you observe carefully what I'm telling you know. Java 2 Standard Edition. J2SE stands for what there? Java 2 Standard Edition. What it will cover actually? it will cover only fundamentals of Java programming language. It will cover only what they know, fundamentals of Java programming language. Next one is what there. By using these fundamentals, what type of applications can we are able to prepare there? We are able to prepare only standalone applications. We are able to prepare only what there? Standalone applications. What is this standalone application actually? The standalone application is if we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple machines, if we design and execute any application, then that application is called as what there? Standalone application. Let's see this particular point, guys. All of you know. Observe carefully. I want to show in the form of a diagram here. Now try to understand this. Observe carefully. Say for example, I have a computer. Sorry. I have a computer. This is a computer. Okay, this is computer, or this is like what I'm telling to you, mission. Inside this computer, I have a program. This is my Java application. This is my program. Okay. Here, a set of intersections are available. Lines of code is available. A set of intersections are existed here. This is my application. Application or program, nothing else. Both are same here. You can understand it clearly. Application. Understand clearly. The complete application I provided within the same computer. Within a single computer, I provided the complete application. Understand my point here now? Within the same computer, I compiled my program. Within the same computer, I'm executing my program. When I execute this program, if my program is expecting input data, within the same computer, I'm providing input data. My program is executed within the same computer. And my program is providing output within the same computer. Even my computer doesn't have any internet connection, no network, no concept like client server architecture, no concept like distributed applications, distributing logic over multiple machines. My complete application logic, the total program I prepared within the same mission. Within the same computer, I'm going to provide the complete application logic. So this type of application is what there, a standalone application. Now here I'm telling to you, this is exactly the meaning of what there, standalone application. Standalone application. To prepare the standalone applications, we required J2SE. To prepare the standalone applications, what we required here now, J2SE. Java 2 standard edition is required clearly. Guys, all of you are getting my point clearly. What I'm telling you, what exactly the meaning of standalone application. Are you getting clarity on this point here? If we design and execute any application on the basis of, without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as what there? Standalone application. So single computer. Within the single computer, I prepared my application. There itself I'm compiling. There itself I'm executing. There only I provided input data. There only I got some output data. Overall, my total program is running within a single machine. Then this type of application is called as what there? A standalone application. Right, sir. Observe carefully. This is a simple diagram here I'm telling you about the standalone applications now. 1 minute. Right, sir. Then where is the folder actually? Yeah, right. Right, sir. The next one is, now let's come for this. Okay, sir, we understand standalone applications are okay, fine, available here. Then definition also be standalone application here. We understood that. That's okay, fine. But how many applications are standalone applications in outside? How many applications are standalone applications in outside? So many applications are available there. Out of all these, how many applications are standalone applications? No. If we come for this point, only 5% of the applications are 5% of the applications are standalone applications. Observe my point here. Only 5% of the applications are what they're no standalone applications. All right, you may ask one question to me now. So tell me some examples for the standalone applications. Only 5% of the applications are standalone applications that I understand. Now tell me some examples for standalone applications now. If you observe the examples for standalone applications, so many examples are available here. What are the various examples are available here? Understand it clearly. This is my computer. Inside my computer, all of you guys understand it clearly. Inside my computer, I have an application calculator. Am I right or not? Calculator is available or not? As calculator is available. Then what's going to be happen there inside the calculator? We will open that calculator where we will enter the data 5 plus 7. The data I entered there. Click on equal button. 12 is an output we are getting in the same computer or not? That to run that calculator program, we don't require any network connection. To execute that calculator program, we don't need any client server architecture. Too much setup is not required. Simple computer is sufficient. Inside this simple computer, calculator app is running within a single mission. So this calculator application is what there, a standalone application. Right, sir. Not only this calculator, no. Let's understand this clearly. Another one here, what I'm telling there. Say for example, calendar application is available here. What about this calendar? Actually, you know that calendar is also be a single application which is running inside my computer now. Calendar is a small application which is running inside my computer. Now this calendar is also be called as what there now, a standalone application. Understand once again here, to execute this calendar application, we don't need any application logic. We don't need to distribute application logic over multiple machines. That entire calendar application is available inside our computer. So this is an example for what they know, a standalone application. Try to understand it clearly. Say for example, after completion of this, like this, so many examples are available for what there these applications can know, like standalone applications. Then I have a question, guys. I have a question now. What is my question here? All of you observe carefully. My question is, sir, only 5% of the applications are what their standalone applications. Only 5% of the applications are what their standalone applications. Means that utilization of the J2SE, utilization of the J2SE is only 5%. Am I right or not? 5% of the applications are standalone in the sense utilization of the standalone. That means J2SE is what their 5%. That means if I learn a J2SE, my opportunity level is only 5%. No, my job options, that means getting job option is only 5%. No, so because of 5%, now I'm learning Java, sir. Is it necessary to learn Java because of only 5%? No. Is it mandatory to learn Java because of this 5%? No. Then why don't we go for other technologies where more opportunity levels are available? You may have such kind of thinking now. Yes, sir. Are getting my question? What I am asking there now? So 5% of the applications are standalone applications as per your says. So only 5% of the applications are standalone. No. So my opportunity level is also be 5%. No. Because of only 5% of my opportunity level, is it necessary to learn this Java programming language? Why I'm not moving to the other technologies? No. You may have this kind of question there. For you, I'm giving answer for you. Try to understand it clearly. Right, sir. Answer is very clear. Understand clearly. Observe carefully. This point is very, very important. What's that point here I'm telling to you? Direct utilization of standalone applications. Direct utilization of standalone applications is only 5%. Utilization of direct utilization of standalone applications, that means direct utilization of J2SE, instead of saying this, J2SE is only 5%. But it's a dependency level, but its a dependency level is 1000%, not even 100%. Guys, all of you are following or not? Direct utilization of this J2SE is only 5%, no? But its a dependency level is almost all. Its a dependency level is what they know, 1000%. Sir, then today is a demo class, but you are giving some mathematical equations now. Sometimes you are saying 5% and some other time you are saying 1000%. What are these 5% and 1000%? No, this kind of question you may ask to me. Don't worry, I'll give clarity for you. Let us say one small story, then by that you are able to get some clarity. Again, please remember my statement here. Direct utilization of J2SE is only what there 5%. But its a dependency level is how much here no 1000%. What is the meaning of it? No, small example. Try to put concentration here. No, I am asking one question to all of you guys. Now tell me, how many of you completed your academics? That means BTech graduation. How many of you completed already? BTech or MCA or whatever it may be. How many of you completed? Almost all of you completed. How many of you are still in academics? Going to the colleges still? Only 2 members. Nice. Okay, fine. Don't worry. For example, assume it. You completed your BTech. You completed your BTech. Then after completion of the BTech or MCA, whatever it may be, then you have to join with a company or not. After completion of your BTech, what is the next step now? Guys, I'm asking this question to you now. Then after completion of your BTech, what is the next step now? Coming to Amirpet and learning courses now. Actually, that is not your next step. Your next step should be what there? You have to join with a company. But to join with a company, you need some technical skills. The technical skills are not sufficient with you. That's why you are coming to institutes in Amirpet, in Hyderabad. Am I right or not? It may be offline classes or it may be online classes or whatever it may be. Definitely. Okay. Listen carefully what I'm telling you now. Okay. One student, he has completed BTech, but he didn't selected in any campus interviews, in campus drives. So he want to attend for companies drives in outside, but he has to learn some technologies. Then he inquired about the technologies from his friends or maybe relatives. All the members have given some information to him. Alright, don't join for Java courses, no. Why? Because Java courses are what the vast content, and Java courses are required. Too much technical skills, everything is programmatic, and too much programmatic is going on inside the Java. So don't join with Java. Then he asked there, okay, Java is not good. Then what I have to join there? And they're giving some suggestions to him. Then better to go for some testing tools kind of course, no. It will be completed within 1 month or 40 days. Then immediately you will get job in outside. There's some kind of feeding that other persons have given to the student. As usual, the student came to Amirpet. The student came to Amirpet. He searched for an institute where selenium testing is going on. Testing tools are going on there. He went for the selenium testing now. As usual, demo class is going on. Selenium testing demo class is going on. Then trainer came to the class. Trainer has asked one question directly without starting that selenium. He asked directly one question. Out of these many members, those who are attended in the demo class, how many of you are aware about core Java? Those who knows core Java, you can only continue with my classes. All the remaining members not required to attend the class. Why? Because Selenium tool, the testing tool, was designed on the top of the core Java. So core Java is a mandatory programming language. J2SE is a mandatory programming language to learn Selenium testing. Please complete core Java, then come to the Selenium testing. Then what is the situation for the student, guys? What is the situation for the student? No, I thought of it. Java is too much difficult. That's why I selected for Selenium. When I come to the Selenium, but trainer has given information, Selenium needs Java internally. Selenium required Java. Again, that is asking to learn Java programming language. So actually, I want to avoid Java. That's why I'm coming for Selenium. But Selenium is depending on Java. Then people are saying first learn Java, then come to the Selenium. So Java is not good for me. Due to that reason, Selenium is also be not good for me. I want to go for an alternative. Again, he came out from demo class. He inquired about the courses to somebody else. that somebody else has given information. Okay, Java is not good for you. Selenium is also be not good for you. Better to go for some other technology like what there. Salesforce. This technology is going on. Very good demand in outside. Please try to complete that Salesforce now. Then within a week of time you will get job. That information that student had. Then immediately what the student is doing there, he inquired about the training institutes where where Salesforce training is going on. Okay, fine. He find one institute there. He went to the Selenium training. Sorry, not Selenium, Salesforce training there. When he sat inside the Salesforce demo class, again the same trainer has taken demo class, entire demo class. At the end of the class, the trainer has given the question prerequisite for the Salesforce. Prerequisite for the Salesforce. What is that prerequisite now? That will be like what there? Java. You need again Java. So again the trainer has given information there. If you know Java, then only you can continue with the Salesforce. Otherwise, it's not possible for you to understand. Again, student is getting some irritation. Arey, I want to skip Java. That's why I went for Selenium. That people are saying that Selenium is depending on Java, learn Java. So that's why I skipped that Selenium. Now again I came for what they know, Salesforce. But here Salesforce people also be saying that learn Java. Without learning Java, is it not possible to learn Salesforce? No, yes, no, not possible here. No. Then again, he thought of it. Salesforce is also not suitable for us. No, then I had to go for some other. Again, he came out from the demo class. He inquired about some other classes there. No. Some other people have given information there. Nowadays mobile application development is getting very good demand in outside now. Better to learn Android. Better to learn Android. Then if you learn Android, immediately we'll get job there. But very good requirements are going on in outside. Then immediately the student will search for an institute where Android training is going on. He went to the Android classes. When he went to the Android classes there, where what happened, that Android trainer has given the information there. What is that information? No, Android is a mobile platform, mobile application development platform, which was designed on the basis of the Java programming language only. So if you want to understand Android, you must learn Java programming language. He was disturbed totally. Then again, he came out, he thought of it. I went to the Selenium, required Java. I went to Salesforce and required Java. I went to the Android, again required Java. Then some people have given guidelines to him again. Then better to go for SAP related tools now. SAP related tools. He went to the SAP training. There also be the same scenario is repeated. If you want to learn SAP, there what you required here, Java is required. Without knowing Java, can't understand what there SAP here. So what is going to be happen here? So finally, he decided clearly. He decided clearly. What he decided here? Without knowing Java, we are unable to survive in software industry. So first we have to learn what there. Directly we have to go for Java. Then people will come to my class. Yes, sir. All of you are getting clarity or not? Now tell me, guys. Direct utilization of the Java J2S is what there? 5% only, but its dependency level is what there? Why it is dependency level is 1000% here? Why I'm telling to you, observe carefully. J2SE is a dependent programming language for other tools and technologies like what are these other tools and technologies? Actually you can understand clearly. Other tools and technologies are like what there. Say for example, advanced Java frameworks, Java frameworks like what are the Java frameworks? No, say for example, Spring Boot microservices. All these are Java related technologies only. Web services. After completion of these web services, next one is like what there. What I'm telling to you. After completion of this, and so on and so on. Some other tools and Selenium tool, Selenium testing. Then after that, what next one can know? Salesforce, then SAP related things, and so on and so on and so on. So the core Java is what there a basic platform. On the top of that basic platform only, all these many technologies and tools are designed. So core Java is mandatory or not? Core Java is a mandatory or not? So that is what exactly the requirement here we can understand. Right, sir. Now this is What meaning of like what there? J2SE dependent level, dependency level. Even if you want to learn advanced Java, if you want to learn Java frameworks like Spring, Hibernate, microservices and all, then definitely we need what they know, J2SE part. Yes, all of you are getting clarity. That's it, guys. Now this is what exactly the meaning of J2SE. Guys, now I'm asking some questions to you. Try to answer for it. How many parts are available in Java? How many parts are available in Java? Three parts. What are the three parts in Java? J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. Answer my point here. Now, tell me some information I've given about J2SE. What is the abbreviation for J2SE? Java 2 Standard Edition. What it will cover? It will cover only fundamentals of the Java. By using fundamentals, what applications we are able to prepare? Standalone applications. What is the meaning of standalone application now? Come on, if you design and execute any application, what's that? Without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as what there? Standalone application. Right, sir? How many applications are standalone applications? No. Only 5% of the applications are what there? Standalone application. What are the examples for standalone applications? No. Calculator, calendar, and a paint. All these things in our single computer, what they're running, all these are what there, then standalone applications. Right, sir? What is the utilization of the standalone applications of J2SE? J2SE is a direct utilization is what there, only 5%, but its dependency level is what there, 1000%. No, 1000% is even less number I'm telling there. Entire software industry is moving on the top of what there, that J2SE part only. If you want to survive in software industry, or today or tomorrow, definitely we must learn what there, J2SE part. Understand it now? Then what next one here? J2SE is a dependent programming language for other tools, like what there, tools and technologies like advanced Java and the Java frameworks like Spring, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, and so on, Selenium, Salesforce, SAP related tools, and so on and so on and so on and so on. These are the somewhat information about what there, J2SE part. All of you are getting clarity on this part now? Right, sir. That's okay, good. Nice. Next one is after completion of this, then what is the second part in Java there? No, J2EE. What are available inside the J2SE? I will give a separate list. What I'm going to be covered inside the J2SE, I'll give a separate list that we are going to understand anyway. Guys, observe carefully now. What exactly the meaning of J2EE? If you observe this, now tell me, guys, what is the abbreviation for J2EE? Please all of you respond for me. What is the abbreviation for J2EE? J2SE abbreviation we know. Java 2 Standard Edition. Now what is the abbreviation for J2EE? Java 2 Enterprise. Enterprise Edition. Java 2 Enterprise Edition. That's what that no, J2EE. This is one point. That's okay, fine. J2SE will cover fundamentals of the Java. Only fundamental programming will be covered inside the J2SE. But what J2EE will cover? What exactly the J2EE will cover? If you observe this, right, sir, just give a minute of time. Arsha, Arsha, right, sir, 1 minute. Right, sir. Now let's understand this clearly. All right, sir. Now, what exactly the meaning of this J2EE? What is this J2EE? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Understand it clearly. All right, sir. Then what it will cover? J2SE will cover fundamentals of the Java programming, where only basics are covered. But J2EE will provide, understand my point here, server side programming. J2EE will cover what they know, server side programming. Everybody understand my point here clearly? No. J2EE will cover what their server side programming. Right, sir. Then after that, after completion of this server side programming, no, Then what next one here? By using server side programming, what type of applications here we are able to prepare now? By using server side programming, we are able to prepare one type of application. What type of application here we are able to prepare there? Observe carefully. By using server side programming, we are able to prepare enterprise application. Enterprise, what they know? Applications, or we can say distributed applications. Understand guys what I'm telling you now? By using J2EE, what type of applications here we are able to prepare there now? We are able to prepare enterprise applications, or we are able to prepare what there? Distributed applications. Now again here we are giving a question. What exactly the meaning of enterprise application, or what is the meaning of a distributed application? A simple definition here I require. Guys, all of you observe carefully what I'm telling you now. J2SE, that means standalone applications. Tell me what is the definition for standalone application now? What is this standalone application now? Tell me. If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, that application is what there? Standalone application. But now, if you want to understand the distributed application, what is the meaning of distributed application now? Observe carefully. If we design and execute any application, on the basis of, guys observe carefully, on the basis of client server architecture, on the basis of what their client server architecture, or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as, what there? An enterprise application, or what next one again? No, distributed application. Understand guys what I'm telling you now? Now tell me what exactly the definition of the enterprise application or distributed application. If we design and execute any application, on the basis of client server architecture, or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as what there? An enterprise application or a distributed application. Let's see in the form of a diagram, guys. Observe carefully. In the form of a diagram, now try to understand it now. For example, this is my client mission. At the same time, this is what they know, server mission. Client mission and server mission. Both are computers only. But computers are whatever it may be, some devices, maybe mobile also, maybe computer or maybe mobile, any device, that doesn't matter. All right, so now I want to say this is my client mission. This is what their client mission, and this is my what they know server mission. This is client mission and this is what their server mission. Inside the client mission, I want to prepare an application. At server mission also be, I want to prepare another application. Now the application what I prepared at client mission, that is called as client application. All right, sir. The application which I prepared at server mission, that is called as what there? Server side application, or simply server application, whatever it may be, both are same. All right, sir. Then what next one here I'm telling to you after completion of this? Understand this clearly. After understanding this, now the point is like what there, guys, just give a minute of time. Right. Now the point is, inside this client side application, a set of finish sections are available. A set of finish sections are existed here. Now here also be at server side application, a set of finish sections are available. Okay, fine. Now between client and server, we need a network or not? Network is required or not? We need to send some data from client mission to the server mission, and we have to send some other data from server mission to the client mission. So definitely we need what their network is required or not? Exactly. Now this is what exactly the meaning of what their network. Here we are getting what they know, network. Observe carefully. Right, sir. This is like what I'm telling there, network. Okay, fine. After completion of this, what next one here I'm telling to you, this is network. Okay, fine. Then what's going to be happen when we execute these applications, when we execute this application, first of all, client application, server application is already in running mode. When we execute this client application, first client application will send a request to the server application. That means first request will be given to the network protocol or whatever it may be, some network. Now network will send that request to whom they know, to the server machine. Now the network will send that request to what they know, server side application. Now here server side application will be executed. When server side application is executed here, by the execution of the server side application, automatically some response will be generated. Some response will be generated by the execution of server side application. Automatically that response will be given back to the network. The response will be given to what, their network. Now here what network will do there, network will send some response to what they know, client side application. Now client side application is able to take that response, then client side application is able to display that response to the respective user. Guys, observe carefully. Now here this is exactly the meaning of like what the request, and this is like what I'm telling to you request, and this is also like what I'm telling to you know, a request. Now here by the execution of the server side application, some response will be generated. That response will be given back to the network. Network will carry that response now. That response will be given to like what they know, then client side application. One more thing I'm telling to you, this request will be submitted to the client server. Server is getting some response. When it is a case no, when we execute client side application, then only that request will be submitted to the server. Response will come from server to the client. Finally, client is able to get response, and client is able to display that response to the respective user. Sir, all of you are getting this point or not? So this is what exactly the meaning of like what there, like a client, that means client server architecture, and on the base of this client server architecture, here we prepared our application. So this application is called as like what there, distributed application. Moreover, understand my point here, the total application logic is distributed over client machine and a remote machine. My Java programs are running under client machine as well as what they know, server machine here. So this type of application is called as what there, client server application, or a distributed application, or an enterprise application. That's it. Now observe carefully what I'm telling you now. When we understand this one here, try to understand it. Now this is like what there, distributed application. That's okay, fine. But to prepare these distributed applications, we need J2EE. To prepare these distributed applications, what we required here now, J2EE we required. J2EE we required clearly. That's okay, fine. Now this is exactly the meaning of what there, distributed application. Now let's see this one. Guys, observe carefully after this. Everybody understand this one. Enterprise application or distributed application definition I've given there. That's okay, fine. Now tell me, how many applications are distributed applications in outside? How many applications are standalone applications in outside? How many applications are standalone applications in outside, guys? Now tell me. Only 5% of the applications are what there, standalone application. But here, how many applications are distributed applications in outside? If you observe this, understand my point here, 95% of the applications, 95% of the applications are distributed applications. 95% of the applications are what there, distributed applications. Tell me some examples, sir. I want to know that. Tell me some examples for distributed applications. Now I'm telling to you clearly, all banking applications are distributed applications. All banking applications are what there, distributed applications. Examples, sir. Any example there? Now try to understand it clearly. For example, I have an account in ICICI Bank. My friend has an account in HDFC Bank. My requirement is, I want to transfer 10,000 amount from my account to my friend account. I want to transfer 10,000 amount from my account to my friend account. That's my requirement. If you want to transfer 10,000 from my account to my friend account, first of all, what I have to do? I have to send a request to ICICI server side application or not? ICICI application is a server side application. HDFC application is also be server-side application. So first I have to send a request to ICICI Bank. So this is my account. In my account, maybe some amount is available. These are my friend account details. No, to my friend account, I want to transfer 10,000 rupees. I have to send a request to ICICI server-side application. Then what ICICI server-side application will do there? ICICI server-side application will send a request to whom they know HDFC Bank server-side application. Now HDFC Bank server-side application will take that request. What ICICI Bank application will do there? So these are the account details in our HDFC. No, I want to transfer 10,000. Please accept that. So here I will debit 10,000 rupees from my account. There in the friend's account, credit the 10,000 amount to the respective account. That request will be submitted to the HDFC Bank. Now HDFC Bank will do the required operation. After completion of that required operation, one acknowledgement, that means one response, will be given back to the ICICI Bank. Then ICICI Bank, whatever the response it got from the HDFC Bank, no, then it will complete the remaining process at ICICI Bank application, and the final status of the transaction will be given back to me. Then what I'm able to see there? There I'm able to see transaction success. 10,000 amount transferred successfully from your account to your friend account. At the same time, HDFC Bank has given information to my friend also. Some 10,000 amount is credited in your account. The transfer was done by this particular and so on account here. Yes, sir. All of you are getting my point or not? So now tell me, I'm sending request to ICICI server-side application or not? Client server architecture is available or not? My ICICI server-side application is talking with the HDFC Bank server-side application or not? There also be client server architecture is available or not? My friend is checking his balance with the HDFC server-side application or not? There also be client server architecture is going on or not? This is the best example for what they know. Best example for what their distributed application. That's why I'm telling to you, all banking related applications are what they're no distributed applications. That's okay, fine. Next one, another example I'm telling to you guys, all of you observe carefully. Another examples now. Nowadays, Facebook might be, Gmail maybe, are getting my point or not? Twitter maybe, and so on and so on and so on. All these social network related applications. All the social network related applications are what there on the basis of client server architecture only. All these are on the basis of like what they know client server architecture only. Say for example, I want to open my Gmail account. First of all, what I will do, I will open the browser. In the browser, I will type www.gmail.com. Then when I type www.gmail.com, immediately a request will be submitted to whom they know server side application. Server is available somewhere else, no? The request will go to the server side application. At server side application, the Gmail application is going to be executed. As a response, it will give a login page to my browser. I'm able to get that login form. In that login form, I have to enter username and password. When I click on login button after entering username and password, automatically another request will be submitted to the same Gmail application. The Gmail server side application will check you are the right user or not. If you are the right user, your account page will be given back to the respective user as a response kernel, where we are able to see your account details. Is it not client server application there? Is it not client server application? Is it not distributed application? Is it not web application there? Definitely. This is what their distributed application or enterprise application. Leave this one. Apart from this, another example here I'm telling there, e-commerce applications. E-commerce applications are what they know distributed applications. What are the various e-commerce applications are available, guys? Now try to understand it now. Say for example, I want to take some items in online. Like Amazon.com is available, Flipkart.com is available. These are the two frequent. They are the two then frequently used apps. I want to book some items in online. There, what we are doing there, first of all, we will open Amazon.com. There we are able to get some home page there. Search bar is available. I want to buy some what they know, some electrical work. Some are, for example, I want to buy a mobile phone, for example. So where I will search for like what there one mobile phone, iPhone, mobile phone. I'm searching there. When I search for it, number of items are available. Then I want to select it. When I select it, no, automatically my item will be provided in the order, placing my item in order. Then after that, I need to enter what there some login details. I entered there. Then after that, whenever I click on like what then a payment, then proceed for pay, then automatically the payment gateway application will be activated, where we have to enter some UPI address or maybe something else, my credit code details or something else. I have to enter something. When I enter something there, when I click on pay now, automatically the payment is going to be processed. Now tell me, is it not a client server application? Our system is a client. That Amazon application is available at server machine. Whenever we clicked on some item there, request will be submitted to the server side application. Server side application is performing its required operation there now. So is it not client server application? Is it not distributed application? Definitely, this is what their distributed application or client server application. Like this, so many applications are available. Like this, how many applications are available here? So many applications are available. Not like a single application. So many applications are existed here. Get my point or not? So this is what exactly the meaning of like what there, like a distributed applications or a enterprise applications here. What I'm telling you. Yes, guys, all of you are getting this point or not? Now tell me, sir, what exactly the points here we understood there about the J2EE? First of all, tell me what is this J2EE? Come on, Java 2 Enterprise Edition. What it will cover, guys? Now tell me. It will cover server side programming. Then what next one can know? Right, by using server side programming, what type of applications we are able to prepare? Enterprise applications or distributed applications. What is this distributed application, guys? Now tell me. If we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as what? An enterprise application or a distributed application. How many applications are distributed applications there? No, 95% of the applications are what there? Distributed applications. All banking applications are what there? Distributed applications. Social network applications are what there? Distributed applications. E-commerce applications are what there? Distributed application. Food delivery applications are what there? Distributed application. Everywhere, in every domain, distributed applications are going on. Without distributed applications, our day-to-day life is not going to be happen. Right from morning wake up onwards up to the bed, then everywhere we are going to use what there no distributed applications only. Yes, sir, all of you get my point or not? Right, sir, good, nice. Let's come for the third one, guys. What about this third one? Now tell me. J2ME. Right, J2ME. Observe carefully. What is the abbreviation for J2ME? Java 2 Micro Edition. What is the abbreviation for J2ME? What there? Java 2 Micro Edition. Observe carefully. Then by using J2SE, we are able to cover only fundamentals of the Java. By using J2EE, we are able to cover server-side programming. Similarly, by using J2ME, what we are able to cover there? We are able to get micro programming. What we are able to get there? By using J2ME, micro programming here, we are able to get. Guys, observe carefully what I'm telling you. Micro programming here, we are able to get. Next one, after completion of this, observe carefully. By using fundamentals of the Java, we are able to prepare standalone applications. By using server-side programming, we are able to prepare enterprise applications. Similarly, by using micro programming, we are able to prepare which type of applications? No, mobile based applications. By using micro programming, we are able to prepare what there? Mobile based applications. Sir, all of you are getting my point or not? By using micro programming, we are able to prepare mobile based applications. Then what is this mobile based application? Very simple, sir. If we design and execute any application, on the basis of mobile hardware system, mobile phones are having its own hardware. On the basis of this mobile hardware, if we design and execute any application, then that application is called as mobile based applications. That application is called as what there? Mobile based applications. Guys, observe carefully what I'm telling you. That's okay, fine. Now tell me, sir, how many applications are mobile-based applications? No, so many applications are available nowadays. 100% of the applications are what they're mobile-based applications. Nowadays, every area mobile-based application is available. For every domain, mobile application is available. Even distributed applications, I'm telling there 70, that means 95%. Standalone application, I'm telling there 5%. But here, 100% of the applications, I'm telling there. Any examples, sir? Any example for these mobile-based applications here? If you observe the examples, no, so many examples are available. Say, for example, I want to give some food item as an order in Swiggy. Through mobile phone, I want to give an order. Then what I have to do, guys? Now tell me. What I have to do? First of all, Swiggy app must be required in my mobile or not? In my mobile, Swiggy app must be required or not? Then how I'm able to get that Swiggy app in my mobile here? No. First of all, I have to go for Play Store. In the Play Store, we have to search for Swiggy. Then it is identified one app now. Then where install button is coming, we have to click on that install button or not. When I click on install button, automatically the Swiggy app is installing in my mobile device or not. That is an application. That application is what their mobile application. That Swiggy application what we installed, that is what their mobile based application. Say for example, I want to pay my mobile bills. Airtel connection I have there. Every month I want to pay the bill. So to pay the bills or to get some information about our account, mobile SIM account, there we need to go for My Airtel app. A separate application is available. We have to install that My Airtel app. Automatically, I'm able to get all details about my account. Then I'm able to pay the bills and everything. Say for example, I want to check the status of my ICICI bank account. ICICI bank account is available with me. I want to check with that. So for the sake of checking my balance or for the sake of doing some operations there, what I have to do there, I have to install iMobile app. Get my point or not? What's that app there? No, iMobile app. That is mobile based application. I want to pay some bills through phone pay. I don't have money. I want to go for the digital payments. Then phone pay I want to use. So phone pay app must be required in our system or not, in our mobile or not. That is also like what their mobile based application. So these many applications are like what their mobile based applications. And one more thing I'm telling to all of you guys, try to understand it clearly. Mobile based application, mobile application development. Instead of saying these mobile based applications, no, mobile application development is having very good demand. Mobile based application development is having very good demand in outside, but but J2ME is not having any demand in outside. No demand is available for J2ME. J2ME is not having demand in outside. It's almost all dead. When the alternatives are coming, Android maybe, when the alternatives are coming like what there, Android maybe, iPhone maybe, then a Swift maybe, when these many mobile platforms are coming into the picture, automatically JTME was totally down. JTME was not at all utilized. Guys, all of you get my point or not? So the JTME is not totally down. Nobody is thinking about JTME. Almost all every Java developer forgotten about that JTME. So Java in the sense only two parts. What are the two parts? You know, J2SE and what next one here? J2EE. J2ME is available, but we are not able to get, we are unable to see that J2ME kind of thing clearly. Understand guys what I'm telling there? Why? Because when compared with J2ME, Android or iPhone, they are giving very good environment. Good environment is provided when compared with this J2ME. That's why people are diverted to work with what they know, other platforms cannot. Nobody is thinking about what their J2ME. Yes, sir. All of you are getting my points, no? So these are actually the content here I'm telling to you. Try to understand this. Finally, overall, I need some comparison, guys. Tell me how many parts are available in Java? 3 parts are available in Java. What are the 3 parts in Java? J2SE, J2EE, then what next one? J2ME. Overall 3 parts are available in Java. Right, sir. J2E stands for abbreviation Java 2 Standard Edition. J2EE stands for Java 2 Enterprise Edition. J2ME stands for Java 2 Micro Edition. What J2SE will cover? Fundamentals of the Java. What J2EE will cover? Server-side programming. What J2ME will cover? Micro programming. By using J2SE, what type of applications we are able to prepare? Standalone applications. By using J2EE, what type of applications we are able to prepare? Enterprise applications or distributed applications. By using J2ME, what type of applications we are able to prepare? Mobile based applications. Get my point or not? Right, sir. What is the ratio of the applications of J2SE? That means standalone applications, no, 5%. How much is the ratio for enterprise applications? No, 95%. How much ratio is available for mobile based applications? No, 100% is available. Got my point or not? Right, sir. Anyway, this comparison is going on here. We can understand, no? Here, Kotlin is a technology. It's not in the mainstream. That Kotlin might be used for a scripting point of view. It may be used for an alternative for Java in Spring Boot or some other. It's a corner kind of technology only. It's not in mainstream. It's not at all comparison. It's not at all comparison with Java and J2EE. It's totally different. Little bit scripting if you want to write, where we may go for what there, some other. Not required case. Understand it clearly. Okay, now these are the various things here we understood there. That's okay, fine, guys. Now, after that, I want to give some advantages of, just only I've given brief introduction, guys. Try to understand it, no? Advantages of this course. Today, just it is a demo class. One time, I need to give some commitment regarding this course here. What I'm going to be covered, what exactly the benefits we are able to get from all this. One time here, we are going to understand. Right, so the first advantage, what we are able to get here, right, so the first advantage is what we are able to get here. Observe carefully. The first one, so this is very good advantage to all of you guys. All right, sir. All classes or recordings will be provided up to 1 year. This is officially we are giving that boundary up to 1 year, but more than 1 year we are able to get up to more than 1 year. So recordings will be in the sense what there recording videos. Every class is being recorded. Even today's class is also a recording. So I'm able to provide all the recording videos to you clearly. Answer my point here. Every class is being recorded here. That videos will be provided. That is the first advantage here we are able to get. What are the advantages of providing these recording videos? No. In the case if you want to listen one more time, no need to search for another batch. No need to come for again the classes. No. On the same day, whenever we are having doubt, out of this 24/7 videos are available for you. Just we can watch one time that video. We can clarify that. That is point number one. In the case unexpectedly you are missing a class, unfortunately you are missing a class, not attended on that day, but before come for the class you must learn it. So for the sake of that, if that videos are available, we can watch that video before come for the class. That is another advantage. In the case if you are getting any job in the middle of the course, you are unable to continue with this classes now, then in that situation you may miss out the course. But if I provide these videos now, at least we can watch that video, we can complete our total course. Multiple advantages are available. This is very good benefit what I am providing there, especially myself. I'm giving this kind of opportunity in outside when compared with any other trainer, when compared with any other person's care. So this is a good advantage to all of you guys. Right, sir. The next one is like what I'm telling to you. After completion of this, for every course, materials will be provided. Materials will be provided. But of course, understand it, no, for online students, soft copy will be provided. But for offline students, a hard copy will be provided. That hard copy is a bit chargeable. Xerox cost our office people are going to take. Now try to inquire about it anyway. Right? Understand my point clearly. For offline students, hard copy will be provided, but it is a cost of the Xerox will be collected there. No? Just we can check at our office there about this particular one. This is one thing I'm telling to you. Third one, guys. After that, access to the classroom notes and classroom applications. Free access to the classroom notes and classroom applications. Whatever the notes I'm typing now, that notes you can access directly, and whatever the applications I'm going to prepare, every application you can get into your system. I'm able to share that. But today, just normal in the text document I'm typing, no. Next class onwards, I'll provide a standard setup. There I will type the notes. Then that notes directly you can access. Directly can view that notes there directly. You are able to get it. So access to the classroom notes and classroom applications here. Next one is after that, we are going to working with multiple databases. For example, if I go for JDBC, database connections, database we required, we are going to work with multiple databases like maybe Oracle or what next one here, MySQL and so on. These two databases I'm going to use. But of course, Oracle course is separately going on there. But as part of my JDBC, I need to work with what there, Oracle or maybe MySQL, these many things. I'm going to show that. Next one is after that, working with multiple servers. We are going to work with multiple servers. When we go for servlets, when we go for server side programming, advanced Java, then definitely we need to understand the servers now. What servers here we are going to talk there, we can understand clearly. Tomcat, then after that WebLogic, after this WebLogic, then what next one here, Wildfly, and so on and so on. So many servers here we are going to be covered. Glassfish, not in J2SC guys. Then in advanced, when we go for advanced Java, these many things here we are going to be covered. Next one is after that, working with multiple IDEs. IDEs we are going to prepare there. It's not like normal Java programming development. Definitely we are going to see all the applications development is going on with the IDEs. What are the various IDEs here we are going to use there? Eclipse IDE. Next one is like what there? IntelliJ IDEA. IntelliJ IDEA. We are going to use that. Then after that, NetBeans. But NetBeans is not possible at core level. If you want to use NetBeans, we required what there? We need Maven tool. We require Maven, but anyway, Maven will cover from frameworks onwards, not at core and advanced here. At frameworks level, we are going to discuss about this Maven here. But anyway, Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, NetBeans, and so on. These many ideas here we are able to get. Apart from all these things, next one is what there? We are able to, right, sir? We are able to provide course completion certificate. Course completion certificate at the end of the story. You are able to get course completion certificate. Everybody, when you complete your course, then you are going to collect a certificate from Durgasoft. This is Durgasoft certificate only. Durgasoft is going to give some conduct certificate for you, right? So that certificate may be useful for you. Next one is after completion of this, that eighth one, another advantage here what I am telling to you. So company drives are going on continuously. Company drives, but at core Java only no company will come there. Whenever we are in frameworks, no, definitely company drives will be provided here. Number of companies are coming there, then they are going to conduct some campus recruitment here. No, understand my point here? Company drives we are able to provide. This is another advantage here. Like this, many more. Like this, many more here we can understand. All of you guys understand my point or not? Right, sir. These many advantages here we are getting. Only one time only we are going to talk about it. That in the first day of our class one, I'm talking about it. Next class onward, directly syllabus only, direct content only. I'm going to discuss with you clearly. Right, sir. Observe carefully. Next one is after that. Listen carefully. First of all, understand it. Today, I'm taking demo class for what courses actually. Guys, all of you observe this clearly. Today, I started this course for what courses here now. Overall, today I'm taking this demo class for nearly 4 types of batches. What are the 4 types of batches here? I'm going to be start there. Understand it, guys, clearly. Then first one, batch 1. This is only core Java. Only this batch is for what they know? Only core Java. Right, sir. Only core Java batch. If you are looking for only core Java, then today is the class here. You can understand it clearly. Next one is batch 2. If you have to this, batch 2, if you understand this, here what we are able to get there, core Java. Then after that, next one is what there, advanced Java. Then after that, what next one here, Oracle. Then after that, basic UI technologies. Basic what there, UI technologies. Now the title of this batch is what there, basic Java package. The title of this batch is what there, basic Java package. Inside this basic Java package, then these many concepts are going to be covered. Core Java, advanced Java, Oracle, and basic UI. Right, sir. Another one, guys. Observe carefully. Another one is like what there? Batch 3. What is this batch 3 now? Complete Java package. Complete Java package. What exactly this complete Java package here? We are able to cover here. What complete Java package here we are able to cover? Understand this clearly. Inside this, first one is core Java. Observe carefully. First one is what there? Core Java. And second one is advanced Java. Third one is Hibernate. And the fourth one is Spring. And the fifth one is Spring Boot. And sixth one is microservices. Microservices. Spring Boot microservices. Then after that, seventh one is web services. After this, eighth one is Oracle. And ninth one is basic UI. Basic UI technologies. Basic UI technologies in the sense HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and jQuery. These five things are going to be available. Right, so now this is what their complete Java package here, what we are having. Right, sir. Just today I've taken only overview. That's it, not more than that. Right, so next one is what there? Batch 4. What is that batch here I'm taking there? Full stack Java. Now this is right, full stack Java. This is very trending topic. Full stack Java. Now here, inside this full stack Java, what exactly the content is available here? If you have to this, whatever the concepts here we specified inside this complete Java, the total things are available here. The total thing is existed here about this one complete Java. Apart from these courses there, what other courses are going to be available inside this one, we can understand clearly. The next one is Angular or React, either of this, either Angular or React. Along with that, all the complete Java courses. Next one is what there? Next one is Linux. Then after that, another one is like what there? Cloud, AWS, Amazon Web Services. No. Then after that, the 13th one is like what there? DevOps. Then after that, 14th one is like what there? Testing tools. So these many things are going to be available. Maybe some real-time tools we are going to be covered, like what there? Maven, Log4j, depending on the content here. Definitely these tools are going to be covered here. This is full stack Java. So these are the courses today. Just I started about in this particular time, guys. All of you getting my point or not? Listen carefully what I'm telling you. So core Java in the sense only this slot we can understand it. No, basic Java, complete Java package, and full stack Java. All we have to learn. If you want to go for any of these packages, multiple courses we have to start parallelly. Right, sir. Anyway, then first of all, let me give clarity on it. What's my responsibility among all these courses here? Up to how much myself I'm going to take the classes? In a core Java, this entire core Java will take. In a basic Java package, core and advanced Java will take now. In complete Java package, up to web services I will take. In full stack Java, up to what their web services I'm going to take. This is my responsibility, my part here. Remaining concepts are taken by some other expert trainers in our institute. They will conduct the classes here. They're also very good. Definitely, they had nearly 15 to 20 years of experience, and they're able to take the classes. Almost they're at team lead level or manager level in the companies there. There we are able to get much clarity about from the other trainers also. But here my part is what there up to the total Java stream. I'm going to take what there the complete Java stream here. I'm going to take so that we are able to get much more clarity. This is one point, guys. Okay, fine. Then these are like what I'm telling to you. Then technology searcher. Okay. Then what batches are available? What we are getting there clearly. Okay, sir. Good. Next, one more point. Try to understand it. What I'm telling to you guys. Other thing, no. Listen carefully. What exactly the schedule here I'm going to be provide you? What is the schedule here I'm providing to you? Try to recognize this. Yes, sir. Huh? Right. You're not going to come, right? Leave it. Right. One small request from my side. No, I don't have any problem at any point of time. We can come inside the class, but I don't want to allow you to leave from the classes in the middle. 1.5 hours of time is mandatory. Why? Because if you are not serious about these courses now, what is the need of it? If you are unable to sit up to 1.5 hours of time, how we are going to do projects in our companies there? At least there is a respect towards the faculties, right? Right. Anyway, then some kind of things are going on. Later, I'll explain to you. Don't worry for it. All right, sir. Now I'm telling you, observe carefully. Observe carefully what I'm telling you. Now today I started our demo class 4:30 p.m. to what is it actually 6 o'clock. Okay, answer my point here. All right, sir. Now if you want to go for full stack Java maybe, or basic Java maybe, or maybe complete Java packages, or maybe core Java, I'm going to utilize some content again or try to understand it. No, 4:30 to 6 classes. I'm going to take only up to 10 days of time, guys. Observe carefully. There is a small constraint. Why? Because of that busy schedule, I'm conducting this demo class there. Try to understand it. No, up to 10 days of time, I will take your classes at what time there? No, 4:30 to 6 o'clock. Listen carefully. After 10 days of time, or maybe after 10 or weekdays of time, maybe after 10 days of time, I will take your class at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. That means next session 6 p.m. to 7:30. I will take this class just up to few days of time at 4:30 to 6. Then afterwards I will take your class at what time there? No, 6 to 7:30. The same core Java topic only I'm going to talk there. All of you are getting my point here? No response, guys. Have you understood what I'm telling you? Just a few days of time only. They're not permanent adjustment here. Once you are coming to the 6 to 7:30, that is your permanent time. That entire course is going to be completed within the time here now. Right, sir. You may ask some question to me. Sir, when we are going to be covered the remaining technologies there now? I'm going to specify there clearly for you. 6 onwards, I'm going to take your class. Java stream is very much fixed. 6 to 7:30, 7:30 to 8:30 or 8:45. I will take your sessions like advanced Java, other courses at 7:30. I'll plan for that. Oracle, UI technologies, morning 7 o'clock to night 9 o'clock. Batches are going to be start. In the respective timing, you can attend for your classes at the announced timings there. Morning 7 to night 9 o'clock. Batches are going to be start. As per our comfortable time, we can attend for these classes there clearly. Getting my point or not? What I'm telling you. Right, sir. And next one is like what there? For a week, how many classes here we are going to be conduct here? At the very starting stage, Monday to Saturday, class are going on here. Damn sure, without failure, Monday to Saturday in the starting mode. Once after a few days of time, if my syllabus is not in on track, if it is in lagging, then definitely I may plan for somewhat extra sessions on Sundays also, but not immediately. I'll give that prior intimation to you when I'm going to take the Sundays classes. But when our syllabus is not completed, then definitely I'm planning for what there Sundays classes also. But I will give intimations to you when I'm going to take the Sundays classes. Yes, sir. Got my point or not? Okay. Then today is one demo class. Today is the first demo class, but no second demo classes there. Next class onwards, directly I'm going to start core Java. Next class onward, directly I'm going to start what there? Core Java. But when we have to understand the next class here, from which date onwards, we have to understand the next class now. Observe carefully. Next class will be on Monday, not on tomorrow, guys. Then first week, Saturday and Sunday gap. Next Monday onwards, course is going to be started there. Monday to Saturday continuously, the classes are going to be happen. On Monday, at what time we have to come there? On Monday, at what time we have to come there? On Monday, 4:30 to 6. On Monday, we have to come at what time there? No, 4:30 to 6. We have to come. We have to attend for the class care. Up to 10 days of time only, 4:30 to 6. Then after that, permanently, we have to come at what time there? No, 6 to 7:30. Please recognize the schedule clearly. Yes, sir. All of you are getting clarity or not? What I'm telling you, right? So almost all time is 6 o'clock. I have some other class there immediately. Shall we meet? Shall we meet on Monday again? Right, sir. All of you will come on Monday. Right, sir. Now try to come on Monday class there. I'm going to start directly core Java content without having delay. Directly we are going to see that. On Monday, I will give access of these notes, classroom notes. I will share what their PDF materials and everything. On Monday class, I will share to you clearly. Right? Today is just a gathering point of view. We are taking this session. Monday come at 4:30 up to 10 days after 4:30 to 6. After that, we'll plan for what then now 6 to 7:30 permanently. That's it. That's all. That's all for today. We'll meet on Monday. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Meet on Monday, guys. Thank you. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Oh, 5 minutes break. How much fee for core Java online, guys? And 1 minute here. Then core Java online. That means then you can reach out to our office there regarding this one here. Just we can send mail to Durgasoft online training regarding this fees is no Durgasoft online training @gmail.com. You can reach to this one, or maybe 885 252627, or else maybe 9246212143. This is another number. Then I will give one more number, guys. Anyway, these details here we can take there. Then you can contact with our admin people like this. All right, guys. Now observe carefully. Then you can contact with the admin people like this. This number is you can call them, right, regarding these fees and all these details. Or people will talk with you regarding this particular one, right? Every day, what is the start time and end time for 2 months of time? Okay. Yeah, definitely QA class are going to be attended for online. Core Java course will cover Java 8 features. Up to Java 19 version, we are going to cover, guys. Up to Java 19 version. Please recognize this. This is not certification course, Srikanth Dasri. Then this is not certification course. Please recognize this. So this is normal training only. Certification courses might be some other where somewhere else it is going on. It's not certification courses. Core Java can I able to crack the no. The external certification. This is not certification course, but I'm sure about it up to your company exams that we are able to provide. Advanced Java prerequisites basics of Core Java, then that we required actually. Okay. Only frameworks batch. It may take some time, not immediately. Abhishek. Okay. Yeah. The duration for full stack, Sunny. Duration for full stack is 7 months of time minimum we have to conduct. Then for full stack 7 months of time it will take there. For Core Java 3 months of time. For Core Java 3 months of time. For basic Java then 4 to 5 months, and for complete Java 6 to 7 months, and full stack 7 months of time minimum it will take. Then courses are going to be conducted in parallelly. And anyway, on Monday again I will give that schedule information to you. Then how I'm going to conduct these classes again, so that you are able to get much clarity. Okay, guys. Anything else? No. Yeah, recordings will be provided, Sunny. Definitely, all the recordings will be provided to you. Not after Core Java. After completion of some part in Core Java, then you can join with Advanced Java. After completion of some topics in Core Java, then you can join with what there Advanced Java. Yeah, Bhavya. Just we can talk with our admin people. They will give more clarity on it. What content we required here. Any fast track batch in Core Java? No, no. As of now, no fast track batches. Manepalli, Venkatrasu. Yeah, yeah. That's all, guys. Then can we have morning time 7 to 9 or 8 to 10? But not immediately. It may take some time. Shubham. Already some classes are going on there, but in the future I may plan for it, not immediately. Right? It's okay, guys. Then advanced Java will also be happen at the night time only. Yes, exactly, Abhishek. Night 7:30. 7:30 onwards, I will take advanced Java classes in the future, not immediately. Okay. Guys, then have some other class there. Then I'll meet on Monday. On Monday, we'll give more clarity on our doubts. Other batch is morning in the sense, no, yeah. Then other batch is that today we started one advanced Java class at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. advanced Java batch we started there, but your knowledge may not be sufficient to understand advanced Java. Right? For you, I will take separately advanced Java class there in the future. Okay. Right. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. I'll meet on Monday. Monday I'll give more clarity. Thanks a lot. Then if you have any doubt there, just you can reach out to our office with these numbers. Then you can call to Harsha. Then Harsha will give more clarity on our batches now. Right? Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot.